Hello everyone, for this tutorial video I like to talk about simple AC circuits that involve only a source and resistors, similar to what I did for simple DC circuits. In particular, if we remember from when we first studied resistors, we know that they drop the voltage and current always, regardless of what exactly the voltage and current is. So this should logically mean that it will behave the same exact way whether we are feeding alternating current or direct current into it. So because we already know that the total resistance is the sum of the individual resistances, the same exact logic should hold true here. And the same goes for the voltages and currents, as we already know how it works in a series circuit in general. So we would simply utilize what we know is true from resistors, Ohm's law, and series circuits in order to solve the problem. However, as we will see shortly, if we have multiple AC signals in a circuit that are in different phases relative to each other, the math will become much more complicated than what we see in DC circuits, and I will explain the thought process behind it in the next tutorial video. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.